Let's talk operations and tactics. So I have here a 5-step plan in order to prepare your holiday season. The first one is, as I already said during the content part, review your product pages, be sure your brand story is up to date and with the latest creatives and the USPs you use during those promotional times. The USPs you use during the entire year are not the same as the ones you use during promotional times, which is kind of obvious as you want to convince clients more quickly than you do during the year. Secondly, I already said it too, but optimize your keywords. Do this before the lead-up campaign. So do this a month or even months upfront to be sure that all keywords are covered and that you have sufficient data to have specific targets on those keywords, ROAS, CPA, or ACOS. Be sure all your retargeting campaigns are set up correctly. Be sure that the audiences you are targeting are filled, that you can target them, and that you are targeting the right audience at the given time. Ensure that all your ASINs are in all targetings of the sponsored product campaigns and in the automatic targeting and in the manual targeting. It's important that they are in the two because you can actually use your automatic campaign to fill your manual campaigns with data that Amazon is actually giving us. So try to find a way of working with your automatic campaign and your manual campaigns inside your Amazon sponsored product campaigns. And then, of course, prepare your biddings and budgets with the help of the dayparting tool of Pacvue or even the budget management feature of Pacvue, where actually you can already see what the biddings you want to try, what type of rules you want to apply on those biddings, and if the budget that you applied allows those bidding increases.